Hello, people. Welcome to this weekly market analysis by me, Dr. Bijan. If you're new to my channel, welcome to my channel. This is actually a channel I'm making videos about the Forex market and about lifestyle. Today, every week, I'm just trying to do quick analysis of the market based on my popular strategy and very simple strategy, get out, simple as that, locate the setup, and that's it. Okay. No fuss around, no complication, no complex strategy, nothing. Just very simple, basic strategy. Okay. Before we go to our trading platform, I just quickly go through this risk disclaimer. Just remember, trading foreign exchange carries a high level of risk and may not be suitable for all investors. The high degree of leverage available can magnify profits as well as losses. You can lose more than your initial deposit. Before trading, please carefully consider the risks and inherent costs and seek independent advice as required. Okay, let's jump to our MT4. Okay, so this is our MT4. I start with the result of my previous week setups. So previous week, if you just have watched my video, I spoke about three potential setup. They were GBP PLN, PLN. It was GBP ZA, and the last one was Kiwi Yen. All right. So these three were three potentials that we picked, and we said, okay, we're just trying to see how it performs during the week. Okay, let's start our analysis with these three setups first, and then I go and have a look at the other markets. Okay, all right. So let's see. Okay, this one is GBP ZAR. Okay, so essentially that was a failed setup for us. Okay, and we lost. Okay, because it just went against us after this setup. Although, as I said, this is a potential setup, all right, but it's not a very strong setup. Okay, because if you have watched my video about the fishing strip strategy, I said, what I really need, I read a candle, basically something similar to that, pretty much more than two-thirds of the previous candle. Again, pretty much a stronger push, okay? That's all I need. But this one is not that strong. Anyhow, this is the loss for us, okay? Let's go to the other market and see how it goes, okay? The other one was GBP PLN, and that's the strategy. Okay, and this one, all right. So where we actually picked the setup, I guess, was somewhere around here. Okay, so this one here. Okay, again, just against it came against us and got us stopped out, and pretty much another failed setup for us. So 1% there minus another 1%, that equal to 2% loss in these two trades. Okay, all right, let's move on to our next market, which was uh, Kiwi Yen. Okay, this is Kiwi Yen. All right, we actually picked this trade here. All right, still going. So this was our setup. It has reached to the mid Bollinger Band. Again, as I said, we have to ride it to the next Bollinger. If it comes and hit the Bollinger Band here, that would be more than 3% return for us. Okay, so stop here, entering here. This is more than 3%. So 3% profit here minus 2%, we are still up about 1% for previous week. Okay, as I said, still the trade is going, so we have to watch it and see how it goes. Okay, we might just go and hit our stop loss, but At this stage, what I would do if our stop would be here, I would move it to break even, and I just close my pretty much position. Okay, if it comes and hit here, bad luck, but if it goes down, we are pretty much in green zone. Okay, all right. Okay, so that was pretty much for previous week. Now we're just going to see if we can find any potential setup for this week. Okay, all right. Let's just start from the beginning. Aussie Kiwi, yeah, look, this is that can be a potential setup, but as I said, I really don't like it. I like a trade which is basically finishing out of the Bollinger Band, and then the next one is finishing back inside the Bollinger, okay? Something like this, okay? But this one is, yeah, I don't like that, so it's no for me, okay? But if you have like, it's a kind of a risky, if you like, you can just take the trade, up to you. Okay, all right, let's go to Aussie Swiss franc. Yeah, nothing here. Aussie yen, pretty much no movement there. Okay, all right, next one is Aussie Kiwi. Yeah, again, nothing here. Okay, all right. So this one is actually a good one. Okay, look, it's actually very good. Okay, why? Because look at the strength here. The strength is quite good. Two big candle. One at the very second one, nearly close to the beginning of the first, the beginning of the first one. All right, so that's quite set up. All right, I would say the stop would be here. Entering, you can enter right now, and then the exit would be just the next one. It just could be just only one short trade, 1-to-1, I would say. Okay, but as I said, based on our rule, we are actually looking for trade 1-to-2 or 1-to-2 risk to reward ratio, but this one is just only 1-to-1. So yeah, pretty much I don't like that one. I wouldn't take it. Okay. All right, let's move on to the next one. Okay, cat Swiss franc. Yeah, nothing, just consolidation right now. Nothing there. Same thing with yen. All right, yeah, that's just too small. It's not for me. I don't like it. Let's go to the next one. Yep, nothing there. Euro again, just consolidation. See, this is basically what I'm really after. Something strong, big. All right, that's what I'm after. I'm just riding it. Okay, you can see that this one closing outside, the very next one opening outside and closing strong backwards. Okay, and that's what I like. Okay, pretty much. Okay, all right, let's move on. GBP, yeah, nothing there. All right, nothing for us. New Zealand, again, nothing there. Euro, yeah, nothing. USD, again, yeah, I see my, this is where I'm expecting to meet to enter the market. So for me to enter this market, I would like this to come up, hit my stop, and then going backward. This is where I'm really looking at. Okay, so yeah, nothing here, just for us. We see. Again, nothing there. USD yen. Okay, another potential and actually really good setup here. All right, but it has already moved. But if you just, as I said, you might just, what you can do here. This is actually good setup. It's just all right. So what you can do, you can just put a sell limit order here, a sell limit order to end comes back and then take you in, and the stop would be here. Okay, so this is pretty much, that's a good setup. Okay, although I can see this is kind of like a what's called it, the bearish a bearish rectangle, a bearish, like as I said, channel. All right, it's a bearish channel, so it's going up this one, and then I'm just go backward like this one. Okay, all right, for now, so as I said, just maybe here the stop would be here, entering here, sell stop, sell limit order here. So a sell limit order, and then a stop would be here, and the target would be somewhere around here. Okay, all right, so that's another setup here that we're looking at. Okay, euro pound, yeah, again, nothing there. Euro Swiss franc, no, nothing there. The other pretty much, I don't see that many moving actually. Yeah, nothing there. Again, euro kiwi, yep, no, Euro PLN, again, nothing. Euro NOK, yep, nothing there. Euro Max, nothing there. Again, same story, nothing here. Euro, nothing. Euro ZAR, yep, it's just performing. We just need to see if we can see the close, but at the moment, it's just kind of like a quite bearish here. I don't like it this way. I just need a bit more kind of like a ranging thing, all right? Okay, let's see if we can find any other thing here. All right, GP, nope, nothing there. PLN, again, yep, nothing there. GBP yen, nothing. Pound, MXN, nothing. NOK, again, nothing there. Yeah, pretty much, I think for now, the best setup we had we just was US uh, dollar yen. New Zealand, yeah, nothing there. Again, oh, this one is actually not too bad. This is not too bad. Again, it has moved actually a bit. All right. Uh, Pretty much. Uh, so for this market, again, it has moved a bit. So what I would recommend maybe just waiting for this to close, then coming back and hit us in, and then we can just write the stop would be here, the target. Again, this one is a short trade, just only 1-to-1. As I said, for me, I wouldn't pick this one, okay, but because look, it doesn't have enough space to move, all right? It doesn't have room. So as I said, this is pretty much the look. We have like a kind of resistance here. This is kind of support here. I don't like it this way. Okay, I prefer like something like this. I need a lot of room to move. All right, but this one it doesn't move. We don't know which way it goes. Okay. All right, so let's move on to another one. New Zealand yen. Okay, that was just spoke about it. Again, same, nothing here. USD CAD, nothing there. Again, we don't have anything here. Nothing there, and nothing there. All right, it has already moved. Yeah, that was again same story. Not much movement here. Okay, very short time. Again, same thing, nothing, and yep, nothing there. USD SEK, nothing there. USD Singapore, USD TRY, nothing, and USD ZAR. So pretty much we don't have that many setup here. I think the best one is just USD Yen, as I spoke about it. All right. So for this week, what I would recommend you is just as I said, be careful. Again, as I said, best thing for this trade for us to work on maybe come back here, and then this is what I'm looking at. Okay, so I would put a sell limit order here. So I'm just pretty much looking at the market to see if it can come back, get us in here, and then coming back. Okay, so as I said, I need, this is if it's going to be our 1% risk, I need at least 2% to work to be worthwhile for us to take the trade. Okay, so at this stage, USD yen, our it's going to be our only trade for now. Okay, USD yen. So pretty much we stick to this trade for now and see what will happen. Okay. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up, and also hit the bell button so you're notified when I just putting a new video in. Again, any comments, any question, just type it down below. Make sure just recommend my channel to the other people as well, and I hope to see you soon. Okay, bye for now.